Rainforest Museum.
Can you tell me about rainforest?
Sure, that's my job anyways. Rainforest is a biome with lots of plants and a warm, wet climate. It rains a lot.
As I can see, it's named Rainforest.
Yes, and rainforest is also a very important biome. It helps stabilize Earth's climate, maintain the water cycle, and are a source for medicine and foods. It also gives home for many plants and animals.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes, rainforest is cool.
I want to go to rainforest now. What should I pack? How's the weather like in there?
Rainforest has a very warm and wet climate. The temperature can go up to 91 degrees Fahrenheit and can drop to 71 degrees Fahrenheit at night. The average rainfall is no less than 168 cm.
Wow, then I should bring my raincoat. Where can I find the rainforest?
There are two kinds of rainforest. Most of rainforest we know is called the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are in Southeast Asia, Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Sri Lanka.
What's the other one?
The other one is called the temperate rainforest. There are only few of them around the world. They are in North America, in parts of Ireland and Scotland, in East Asia, South America, and Australia.
Wow, they're almost all around the world. I heard the rainforest has layers. Can you tell me about the layers?
Yes, rainforest has layers. The first floor layer is the bottom layer, where only gets 2% of the sunlight. Many forms of fungi grows there. The understory layer is a layer of small trees. Many animals like birds and jaguars live here. In this layer, they only get 5% of the sunlight. The canopy layer is a layer of tall trees. Trees are usually 45 to 55 meters tall. They can also grow up to 70 meters tall. Butterflies and few monkeys live there. The emergent layer is a layer of few trees that grows over canopy layer.
Oh, I can explain about some rainforest plants and animals. First, I will tell you about orangutan. The orangutans live in the island of Borneo and Sumatra in Indonesia. It adaptation to long arm. The arm's length is 7 feet to allow hang onto branches, support themselves. Orchid's adaptation is the roots are covered with sponge. Counting called the biomes. It helps absorbing water from the air.
Wow, we sure do know a lot about. You said you want to go to rainforest. Why do you want to go to rainforest that much?
Because rainforest is so cool. I have many interesting facts about rainforest. Oh, I could tell you about 3 fun facts about rainforest. Fact 1. Rainforests only cover around 2% of the total surface area of the earth, but rarely about 50% of the plants and animals on the earth live in the forest. Fact 2, there are now 2 different types of rainforests, and they include both temperate and tropical. The tropical rainforests are the ones that are most commonly found around the world. Fact 3. Over 2,000 types of plants that you find in the rainforest can be read to help aid in cancer treatment because they have anti-cancer properties.
And what do you want to do at the rainforest?
First, I am going to snorkeling at Abra to Granda. Is Ireland best to snorkeling and rainforest tour? This I will go a helicopter tour. I'm going to Hana Rainforest helicopter tour. At last I'm going to rainforest hiking on Amazon.
Wow, that sounds fun.
Wow, I learned a lot about rainforest. Now I really want to go to rainforest. Rainforest is so interesting.
Rainforest is interesting, and it is also important, but sadly, lots of rainforests are getting destroyed nowadays.
That's bad. From now I will try my best to protect the rainforest. Rainforest is an important nature that should never disappear. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.